Let's be honest, paying bills is nobody's idea of a good time. But what if I told you that paying your Greensboro water bill just got a whole lot easier, faster, and could even help you catch a massive money-draining leak before it happens? Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into the city of Greensboro's brand new GSO WaterWise portal. We're going to break down exactly how you can effortlessly manage and pay your water bill online. If you live or run a business in Greensboro, consider this your ultimate step-by-step survival guide to navigating this new digital setup. Let's just jump right in. Think about it. Have you ever literally wasted an entire lunch break just standing in a seemingly endless line at the Melvin Municipal Building to hand over a paper check? Or, maybe you've had that moment of panic where you're frantically tearing apart your junk drawer looking for a single stamp on the exact day your bill is due. Yeah, we've all been there. Well, you'll definitely want to pay close attention because the city has rolled out a really comprehensive digital solution. And don't worry, we're going to walk through the whole shebang completely from scratch. So even if you're a total beginner with this stuff, you'll be an expert in no time.
So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Welcome to GSO WaterWise. 2. Creating your online account. 3. Payment methods and fees. 4. Avoiding unauthorized payment scams. 5. Tracking your water usage. And 6. Security and final tips.
All right, Section 1. Welcome to GSO WaterWise. Now, what's really fascinating here is that GSO WaterWise, it isn't just some basic payment gateway where you punch in a credit card and leave. It's actually a super comprehensive tool. Because the city upgraded to these new wireless meters, we now get 24/7 access to our data. You can enroll in paperless billing, set up automated payments, and even get personalized water conservation tips. You literally have total control over your utility usage, right at your fingertips. It's kind of like a smart home dashboard, but for your water. Moving right along to Section 2, creating your online account. Setting this up is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, just open up your web browser and head directly to greensboronc.watersmart.com. Step 2, you're going to need your primary account number, which you can easily find printed right at the top of your physical water bill. Step 3, just punch in your standard billing zip code. But hey, quick timeout for a very important technical detail from the city's documentation. You absolutely must have JavaScript fully enabled on your web browser. This is non-negotiable, it's required to secure the transaction protocol and make sure the payment steps actually render correctly on your screen. So make sure that's turned on. Now, here is a major hurdle you really need to watch out for. If you had automated payments set up on the old legacy system, that data does not follow you to the new one. Because of strict data security compliance protocols, those billing credentials simply can't transfer automatically. So you have to manually recreate your recurring drafts inside the new GSO WaterWise portal. Seriously, don't just assume your bill is being paid because it was on auto draft last year. You gotta re-enroll. Okay, Section 3, payment methods and fees. Let's talk about the money. The city actually accepts a massive variety of digital payment methods through the portal now. You can use all your major credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. But the really cool part is they've modernized the system to accept digital wallets. That means you can check out using Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and even Venmo. It genuinely makes it easier than ever to just settle your balance right from your couch. But there is a catch, and it's a major recent change you need to note, the new 2.95% transaction fee. The city implemented this on all card and digital wallet payments, whether made online or by phone. Why? Basically, it's to insulate the public enterprise fund from those constantly rising merchant interchange and clearinghouse expenses. And keep in mind, there's a minimum charge of $1.95. So mathematically, if your water bill is under $66.10, you'll be hit with that flat $1.95 minimum, which means your effective rate premium is actually a bit higher than 2.95%. So what if you want to avoid that processing fee completely? Well, the secret hack here is the electronic bank draft, also known as ACH. By securely linking your checking or savings routing numbers directly in GSO WaterWise, your funds are transferred electronically without triggering any of those pesky third-party card processing fees. The city offers this as a 100% fee-free option for both single and recurring automated payments. Taking literally 2 minutes to link your bank account directly is going to save you money every single billing cycle. It's a total no-brainer. On to Section 4, avoiding unauthorized payment scams. This is absolutely crucial, guys. The city has issued some very explicit warnings regarding unauthorized third-party apps and unapproved retail locations. For example, you might see platforms like Defer It advertising that you can split your Greensboro utility bill into installments through their app. Sounds great, right? Well, watch out. The city of Greensboro clearly states they do not contract with these third-party payment centers. Making a payment through them is officially considered non-authorized. And why does this actually matter? One word: latency. If you use a third-party app, your bill isn't legally considered paid until the funds physically clear and land in the municipal treasury. And that whole process can introduce a lag of several days. If your due date passes during that lag, you are fully exposed to late fees, delinquency notices, and even potential disconnection, even though you technically already sent the money to the app. Just don't risk it. Always pay through the official portal so your payment posts immediately to the active ledger.
All right, Section 5, tracking your water usage.
Beyond just paying the bill, the portal actively works to save you cash. By monitoring the timeline of insights provided, you gain incredible visibility into your home's actual infrastructure. Let's say you suddenly have a leaky commode tank, a dripping faucet, or worst of all, an invisible underground pipe leak. The portal's automated alerts will actually notify you. Instead of waiting an entire month in blissful ignorance, only to get a shockingly high water bill, you can catch and fix the problem early. It's a lifesaver for preventing massive, unexpected financial spikes. Finally, Section 6, security and final tips.
First and foremost, a huge security disclaimer. Always, always verify you are on the official, encrypted greensboronc.watersmart.com URL before typing in any credit card or bank routing numbers. Scammers are getting smart, so verify your information and take the right security steps before making any online financial transactions. Here's another really vital tip directly from the city's operational rules. If your water service has already been disconnected due to delinquency, absolutely do not use the physical drop box at the Kitchen Operations Center. Dropbox payments take a full business day to post and they cannot be used to restore service. If you're disconnected, you must present payment in person at an authorized office between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. to get a service reinstatement order.
Well, you now hold the complete blueprint to navigating the GSO WaterWise portal. You know exactly how to securely set up your account, track your usage to prevent expensive leaks, and smartly navigate those new fee structures. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I'll leave you with one final thought. With all this information at your fingertips, will you choose to pay a premium for convenience, or will you take 2 minutes to set up a fee-free automatic bank draft today? The power is totally in your hands.